press your belly button toward the spine, so all the way down. Inhale. You can feel your rib cage on your hands here, and then you can exhale, hide the rib cage in. So that way we create like a flat tummy and how your core is engaging like this. Xin chào, welcome to Moving Mango. I'm Hannah, a certified Pilates teacher, and this is gonna be a 15 minutes Pilates workout for beginners, and it's also perfect for you if you're looking for an easy day or just like some gentle movement to refresh your body and mind. So if you're ready, just roll your mat and let's do this together. Alright, now let's start by allow yourself to lie all the way down on your back. So I wanted to keep your arms along your body and make sure that your back is in neutral position. You can put your feet down, you can close your eyes, hand on your rib cage here. Now I wanted to press your hip bones down. Inhale and exhale. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Very good. Keep breathing. And now I wanted to inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth during the class. So inhale and exhale deeply. Now I wanted to inhale, pull the belly button in and press your belly button toward the spine, so all the way down. Inhale. You can feel your rib cage on your hands here, and then you can exhale, hide the rib cage in. So that way we create like a flat tummy and how your core is engaging like this. So I wanted to inhale deeply through your nose, exhale deeply through your mouth, and keep that flat tummy during inhale and exhale. Beautiful. And one more deep breath and exhale deeply. Very good. Now arms along your body and just relax your shoulders. Now try to pull the shoulders towards the hips, so reach your hands towards the heels, and now open your legs with the part. Now I wanted to inhale, press your shoulder blades down, your hip bones down, pull the belly button in and start to tuck your tailbone forward. Draw your hips all the way up. We're going to do bridging here and bring it back, each vertebra at a time. So imagining it like a paper, you just go all the way up slowly, each vertebra at a time, and then upper spine, middle, and then lower back down to the mat. And again, tuck your tailbone forward, squeeze your booty muscles, and lift your hips each vertebra at a time up, and slowly bring it down. When you do this, I want you to make sure you press your feet down to the mat and bring your hips up slowly. Keep your legs parallel and stabilized, your hips stabilized. Very good. And slowly bring it down 2 more times with your own breath. Inhale and exhale. Back in neutral. And last one, inhale all the way up and exhale, slowly bring your hips down. And now I wanted to make sure you keep your back in neutral position, so you can check by put your hand under your lower back. So if you can put your whole hand under your lower back like this, that means you're arching your back. And so I wanted to get your hand out and press your lower back down until only the top part of your fingers can go in your back. That means your back is in neutral position. So don't press your back all the way down to the mat, just keep it in the middle. Keep it a neutral curve of your back here. Hips in neutral, pull the belly button in, hip bones down. And now I'm going to keep your arms along your body, lift your legs up to 90 degrees. Now inhale, bring one leg down, and exhale, come back to the other side and back to the center. Press your hip bones down, pull the belly button in, shoulder blades down. Very good. Squeezing the thighs. Keep the same angle on your knees, so every movement starts from your hips. So your whole leg moving down and lift to the opposite side and come back. I'm going to try to do it for 5 more times with your own breath. Pull the belly button in. Beautiful. 4. To the left. 3. Keep breathing. You can feel the lower abs are working here. 2. And last one. Inhale and exhale, slowly bring your legs down, hug your knees to your chest, shake your hips, inhale deeply through your nose and exhale deeply through your mouth. Alright, and now you're going to allow yourself to bring your legs up to 90 degrees again. Open your arms to the side. Now pull the belly button in. Start to bring your legs to the left. And slowly bring it back to the right. So make sure your whole arms press down to the mat. Your shoulder blades down. And your legs only go to the point that you feel like your shoulders still stick down to the mat. And then bring it back to the opposite side. And slowly bring your legs back to the center. 5 more times each side here with your own breath. Keep breathing. 4, inhale. And exhale. 3. Belly button in. 2, to the right. And last one, to the left. And slowly bring your legs back to the center. Lengthen your legs all the way up to the ceiling. Plantar flex with your feet. Now if you feel like bending your knees to be more comfortable with your hips, then feel free to do that. So we just listen to our body. Now arms along your body here, and I want to inhale, try to lengthen as much as you can. Activate your feet by point your toes all the way up. Now I wanted to engage your core, open your legs to the side and come back. So you can soften your knees and bring it to the side and come back. I'm going to try to do it for 8 times with your own breath. So inhale and exhale, and 7. Now squeezing the thighs here to bring your legs back to the center. 6. Keep breathing. And 5. You can try to activate your pelvic floor muscles by imagining that you're trying to stop the urine flow. Very good. Keep breathing. Beautiful. Open. And exhale, come back. And 4, belly button in. 3, lengthen. And come back. 2, don't hold your breath. Keep breathing. Now last one, open. And exhale slowly. Bring your legs down. Bend your knees. Press your feet down to the mat. Now back in neutral. And I want you to engage your core. Belly button in. Press your lower back down. Lift your head off the mat. So we're going to create like a flat tummy here by pull the belly button in and exhale, high your rib cage in. Really press your abs, your lower back down to the mat, arms along your body. Now I want you to press your feet down. Start to pumping your hands here. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. So lift your shoulders higher. On fist distance from your chin to your chest. Keep breathing, and 5 more times. Inhale and exhale. Now feel free to use your hand to support your head anytime if you feel that it's easier for your neck, or you can just rest your head down and try to master your breath and the movement of your arms first. And last one, and exhale. And slowly bring your hands down, shake your hips. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale deeply through your mouth. Very good. Now I want to allow yourself to lift your legs up to 90 degrees. Open your knees wider. You can keep your toes towards the center and stick to each other. Now arms along your body. I want you to inhale, bring one leg down and come back to the other side. 5 more times each side with your own breath. Inhale, come back to the opposite side, and 4, belly button in. Make sure you keep the same angle on your knee. Don't change the angle on your knee. Just stabilize your hips. Every movement starts from your hips though. So whole leg moving. Come back to the other side and back to the center. Press your hip bones down to the mat. You can even put your hands down here to make sure you have the awareness on your hips. So keep breathing, back in neutral position, and 3, to the opposite side, 2, to the other side, and last one to the right, last one to the left, and slowly bring your legs down to the mat. Alright, now I'm going to allow yourself to lift your head off the mat. Use your hand to hug your knee and lengthen your opposite leg towards the front. Inhale, and exhale, switch to the other side. So I want you to use your chest, lift your torso up and press your lower back down to the mat. We're going to try to do it for 5 more times each side. 4, belly button in to the left. Use your hand to support your head anytime when you need. 3, keep breathing. And 2, stabilize your hips here. Only your leg is moving. Last one, try to reach your foot even further, and slowly bring your head down. Shake your hips, inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale deeply through your mouth. Alright, and when you're ready, I want you to lift your arms up to the sky, press your feet down, and now inhale, lift your arms all the way up, reach higher, and bring your shoulders down, and this one called shoulder awareness. So lift your shoulders up, your shoulder blades off the mat, and now press it all the way down to the mat, and make sure your shoulders far away from your ears, so move towards the hips. So 10 times here, inhale, lift, exhale down, 9, keep breathing, 8, 7, 6, very good, and 5, 4, belly button in, 3, 2, and last one, up and down, very good. Now hands over your head and bring it back to the ceiling again, 5 times with your own breath. Press your feet down, 4, belly button in, keep breathing, 3, and 2 more times with your own breath. Now last one, over and bring it back, and slowly bring your hands down. Shake your hips, inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale deeply through your mouth. Alright, and when you're ready, I wanted to lean on one side to do psychic series. So hands over your head, and support your head and the other hand in front of your chest. Now I wanted to bring your legs to 90 degrees here, and now keep your feet together, activate your feet, open your knee as wide as you can, and then come back 8 times each. So keep breathing, 7, 6, very good, and 5, make sure your shoulders far away from your ears, 4, belly button in, 3, keep breathing, 2, and last one, lift and down. Now lift your heel up higher than your knee, and then switch. So 8, 7, keep breathing, 6, 5, toe touch and knee touch, 4, belly button in, 3, beautiful, 2, shoulders far away from your ears, and last one, and slowly bring your legs down. And the last movement, I wanted to press, bend your knee and your top leg 90 degree, your bottom leg dorsiflex. Now inhale, lift your leg up and down, 8, 7, keep breathing, 6, 5, belly button in, shoulders down towards the hip, 3, 2, and last one, and slowly bring your leg down to the opposite side. So again, hand support your head, the other hand in front of the chest. So feel free to rest your head down on your arm if it's easier for your wrist. Now bend your knees to 90 degrees here, and I wanted to keep the shoulders far away from your ears. Really pull the belly button in, open your knee wider, and come back for 8, 7, keep breathing, 6, 5, slowly with your own breath, 4, belly button in, 3, 2, and last one, open, come back. Now I wanted to inhale, lift your heel higher than your knee, and then switch, toe touch, 8, 7, knee touch, and toe touch, 6, keep breathing, 5, 4, belly button in, 3, you can do this, 2, and last one, and slowly bring your legs down. Now the last movement, lengthen your bottom leg, dorsiflex with your feet. Now inhale and lift your leg up and down 8 more times here. Feel your inner thigh is working. 7, 6, bring it down slowly with control, 5, inhale up, exhale down, and 3, 2, and last one, and slowly bring your legs down. Shake your hips a little bit, inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale deeply through your mouth. And when you're ready, allow yourself to come to own position. So open your arms, shoulders apart, and your legs a bit apart. Tuck your feet. Feel free to put your forearms down if it's easier for your wrist here. Lift your knees up and down. Make sure you lengthen your neck, look down to the mat. You can lengthen your arms, and if you lengthen your arms and eyes on the elbow, rotate to face each other. Now inhale and lift your knees up and down. 8, 7, keep breathing, 6, 5, 4, this is the last challenge. I want you to try your best. 2, and last one, slowly bring it down. Shake your hips, inhale deeply through your nose, and exhale deeply through your mouth. Very good. And now let's do some stretching movement before we complete the workout. So lengthen your arm, dip your shoulders down and lift it up. Pull the belly button toward the spine and do it for 7 more times. 6 and 5. Keep breathing. 4, belly button in. 3, 2, and last one, down and up. Articulate your spine, cat and cow, shoulders far away from your ears, look towards the front and chin your chest each vertebra at a time. Round your upper spine and bring your upper spine a little bit higher and come back. Articulate your spine, put your shoulders down, look towards the front. Inhale and exhale, pull the belly button in. You can squeeze your booty muscles and your inner thighs at the same time if you can. Now the most important thing is just pull the belly button in and engage your core. Very good. And round your spine. And 2 more times with your own breath. Inhale, shoulders far away from your ears. Look towards the front and round your spine again. And last one, articulate your spine, shoulders down, look forward and round your spine, upper spine higher. And slowly bring your torso back to the center. Shake your hips a little bit. Inhale deeply to your nose and exhale deeply to your mouth. Alright, and now I want to sit on the mat. So you can open your legs as wide as you can and start with a narrow angle first. So I wanted to listen to your body, and now I wanted to inhale, just pull the belly button in, lengthen your spine, sit on a pillow if it's easier for you to lengthen the spine. Arm to the side. Inhale, lean on one side. Exhale, come back to the opposite side and slowly back to the center. 5 more times with your own breath. So keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. 4, belly button in to the opposite side. And 3, keep breathing to the other side. 2, you can cross your leg if it's easier for you, if you're comfortable for you. And last one, inhale and exhale to the other side. Lengthen your waist and your arms and slowly bring your hands down. Rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions and reverse. And lengthen your spine, bring your head to one side. Feel the side of your neck is stretching to the opposite side. 2 more times each side here. To the other side. Now last one. To the opposite side. And slowly bring your head back to the center. Look down. Feel the back of your neck is stretching. And look up. And 2 more times. And look up. Last one, look down, relax your head. And look up again, belly button slightly in. And bring your head back to the center. Now shake your hips a little bit, rotate your wrist and reverse. Inhale deeply to your nose. Exhale deeply through your mouth. Rotate your shoulders fully to 4 directions. And reverse. And that's the workout today. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more Pilates for beginners, check out my playlist. I have one on the channel. And please feel free to try any workout on the channel because I have more than 600 videos. So for sure you can find something that's suitable for you and you enjoy it. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow for the next workout. Bye bye.